Hi everybody, my name is Caitlin AYOBAMi Adesanya, and I am going to be teaching you mathematics. Well, so we're mostly learning about math, but the type of math is measurements. So everything has a measurement, and we all have a specific measurement. So do you see this line right here? I drew that line so I could show you an example. This example is this line is exactly 17.5 centimeters. And it is exactly 7 inches. So that means that it's supposed to. So that has a measurement, a specific measurement. So these are some hints for some measurement. 12 inches, this stands for inches, equals 1 foot. 6 inches or 3 feet equals 1 yard. 1,760 yards or 5,280 feet equals 1 mile. So the questions that we are going to do today are we are supposed to write either this, or this.
And what are those signs? Those operations.
So these signs, so this sign is the equal sign. This sign is the greater than sign. And this sign is the less than sign.
What does it mean to be greater than and less than?
So greater than means like if you say you have the number, let's say 13. And I wanted to know if it was greater than 10. And there's a blank. I need to fill in the blank and I did not know the answer. So it would actually be greater than, because 13 is greater than 10. Is greater than 10. So what that means is it actually supposed to mean it is more than this number. And you start from here to here.
Okay, that's good.
For reading it. So less than is if I had it like, let's say the other way around. It would be, instead of this, it would be less than, because 10 is less than 13.
Okay, thank you.
So you're probably wondering what this sign stands for. Well, I will tell you now. Let's say if I had 14 and 14. 14 are the same numbers, right?
Right.
So that means they're equal to each other. because they're not bigger than because one is not bigger than the other, one is not less than the other. They're the same number, it's the same amount, so it's equal.
Okay. Thanks for that explanation, teacher.
So now we are going to do a few questions. So there's going to be a quick bonus.
You want to read the question to us?
The questions are:
Please.
20 inches is either equal to, greater than, or less than 2 feet. So, if you take a look at the clues, they kind of give you the answer. 12 inches is 1 foot. Then 12 plus 12 is 24, right?
Right.
Or you could do it 12 times 2 is still 24.
Correct.
And that means 12 plus 12 is 24.
Mm-hmm.
So you have 24 inches.
Correct.
And so that would be 2 feet.
Okay.
But we have 20. And that's less than 24.
Correct.
So it will have to be less than.
Less than. Okay. So what will be the full sentence if you insert the right operation?
So the full sentence would be 20 inches is less than 2 feet.
Thank you. Very good.
So the next question is 10 feet is either equal to, greater than, or less than 120 inches.
Whoa.
So
That's a lot of inches.
again, 10 feet is either equal to, less than, or greater than 120 inches. I'm going to write that down so you can understand. 120. So we have 120 exclamation point. So that's...
You want to tell us the answer?
That is a tricky one.
Okay.
So if 12 inches... Well, I'm going to tell you a trick. Instead of going 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 like a million times, you could just do 12 times 10. And anything times 10 is that number with a 0 behind it. So 12 times 10 is 120.
Woo-hoo! Man, you're a
correct?
great teacher. Yes, you are
agree?
correct. I completely agree.
Okay, good.
So what's the...
So if 12 times 10 is 120,
Okay.
so you have 120 inches.
Okay.
So the answer is just equal to.
So what's the full
Sentence.
sentence?
The full sentence is 10 feet is equal to 120 inches.
All right, that sounds correct. That's good. All right, one more. Give us a tough one.
Ooh, we have 4 more.
Oh no! We'll probably do that in another class. One more question.
Okay, I'm gonna skip
Okay, be serious
all
now.
All the way to the bonus question.
Okay, what's the bonus question?
The bonus question is, how many feet are in 2 miles?
2 miles?
And by the way, you would need 1,760 yards to get to 1 whole mile. Or you need 5,280 feet to get to 1 mile also. So that would mean you need to do. How many feet are in 2 miles? So we already know 5,280 feet are in 1 mile, which would mean we would have to do 5,280 times 2, or 5,280 plus 5,280.
Okay, why are you yelling?
The answer.
Alright, so how would we do that?
Okay, so you would have to do, instead of counting on your fingers all the way to this answer, and then do it again all over again, you can just do this.
Okay. You want to clean up some space on your board so we could see how we could add 5,280?
If you promise me one thing.
Okay, what is that, man?
You don't forget this, the example, this.
Okay, we won't forget.
Or this example.
Nah, well, you don't have to clean everything, just a little space.
Nah, I'll be fine cleaning everything except for this.
Oh boy. Oh jeez. You are hilarious.
I'll take that as a
Alright, we don't have all day now. Teacher.
I have dinner that's getting cold.
Okay, so hurry up, please. Alright.
So, it's set. Instead of drawing, drawing tally marks of 5. Wait, no, that's the wrong place. Instead of drawing tally marks of 5,280, instead of drawing tally marks of this, and then again, you can just go like this. So you're going to join the question, but it's going to be much easier.
Oh Jesus Christ. You are hilarious.
I will take that as a compliment.
Oh Jesus.
Ta-da!
Okay, so how do you do that?
Instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you can just go like this. You start from this side to this side.
Okay, go ahead.
So first you do, forgot something. This plus this is exactly the same thing, which is this. 8 plus 8 is 18. Do you agree?
No. 8 plus 8 is what?
16. Do you agree with that?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So, you draw 6, hold on to the 1 right here. 2 plus 2 is 4. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus 1 is 5.
Absolutely.
So you draw this. and 1. Wait. That was a comma. Oopsie. And 5 plus 5 is 10. So.
What happened to the 2?
Which 2?
The 2 after the 8. Oh, yeah, you're right.
You just did that.
I'm sorry, that is tripping. I'm sorry. So sorry.
Next time, please follow.
Yes, ma'am.
It's 10. Do you correct?
I agree.
Okay. So, the answer would be 10,560.
Woohoo! Good job, Katie.
And here's a big challenge for you.
Okay, what is that?
Count to this number in 1 second.
10,560. Done.
No, I say count to it. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's a lot. All right, say goodnight to people.
And
See them next
one
time.
last thing. Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. Bye-bye, people.